Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Udemy course instructor account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you permanently close your Udemy course instructor account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to close your Udemy course instructor account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing courses through Udemy, sometimes the pay isn't exactly as you imagine. So maybe you want to go ahead and just close out your account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Udemy instructor dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Udemy account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and permanently close down your account, here on the top right, you're going to click on your initials. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this drop-down menu and you want to click on the button called Settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be in the account settings and you're going to see these 6 options across the top. And in order to permanently close down your Udemy instructor account, click on Close Account. Okay, once you do that, you're going to get this warning that if you close your account, you're going to lose access to all of your courses, all of the data, also that you do have 14 days to reinstate your account. After that, all of your data is going to be deleted and this is permanent. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click right here, Close Account. I'm not going to do that because I'm still using my Udemy account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to permanently close down your Udemy course instructor account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.